Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to paint a peaceful mountain valley with a sparkling turquoise river and a beautiful waterfall hidden among lush green cliffs. The scene is full of depth, light, and atmosphere, making it a wonderful landscape to create together. To begin, I use a flat brush and apply a soft sky blue color across the upper part of the canvas. Using the same brush, I mix blue, white, and just a touch of black to create the distant mountains. At this stage, I keep them simple and hazy without adding too much detail. These faraway mountains are meant to sit quietly in the background and create a sense of distance. As I move closer to the foreground, I paint larger and darker mountain shapes. By gradually increasing the contrast and size of the mountains, I create a stronger sense of depth and perspective within the landscape. Next, I mix blue, yellow, and white to create a bright turquoise color for the river. I paint the water flowing through the valley, using slightly darker tones in certain areas where the mountains and surrounding vegetation cast their reflections onto the surface. These subtle variations help make the water feel more realistic and alive. Now I return to the mountains and begin adding soft highlights. For the distant mountains, only a few gentle highlights are needed, since they are far away and partially softened by atmospheric perspective. The closer mountains, however, receive more definition and contrast. The mountain facing the sunlight gets brighter highlights, helping it stand out and catch the viewer's eye. Moving down toward the waterfall area, I lightly highlight the rocky cliffs on both sides. I don't make them overly bright yet. I simply establish their forms and create a foundation for the details that will come later. Along the edges of these cliffs, I begin shaping clusters of bushes and vegetation, adding life and natural texture to the landscape. With a lighter green mixture, I carefully highlight the tops of the bushes where the sunlight would naturally hit. These brighter touches instantly bring the foliage to life and create a beautiful contrast against the darker shadows underneath. Now it's time for one of the focal points of the painting, the waterfall. Using white paint mixed with subtle blue shadows, I create the falling water. With a small round brush, I refine the shape and add delicate details to give the waterfall movement and softness. At the base of the falls, I paint the ripples, splashes, and gentle waves created by the water as it crashes into the river below. Next, I mix yellow, red, and black to create a rich, dark brown color. With this mixture, I begin painting the foreground rocks and cliffs that are closer to the viewer. These elements will eventually receive more detail and stronger highlights, helping them feel solid and three-dimensional. And while we're painting, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and tell me where you're watching from. What country or city are you joining me from today? It's always amazing to see how people from all around the world come together through art, and I truly enjoy reading every one of your comments. Now let's continue building the foreground and bringing this beautiful mountain waterfall scene to life. I add shimmering highlights across the surface of the water, capturing the way sunlight dances and sparkles on the gentle current. These bright reflections instantly bring more life and movement to the river. Using a small round brush and a very light green mixture, I begin placing bright highlights along the edges of the bushes. These glowing touches represent the sunlight catching the leaves and help separate the foliage from the darker background. I move on to the bushes growing on the foreground rocks. I first establish their overall shape with a dark green base color. Then, by mixing yellow and blue, I create a brighter green and start building the highlights layer by layer. The leaves that sit in shadow receive a slightly cooler bluish-green tone, creating a natural variation in color and helping the bushes feel more realistic. As always, I work gradually from dark to light. With each new layer, I increase the brightness and detail. Finally, using a small brush and a careful touch, I add very bright highlights to the outermost leaves where the sunlight strikes most directly. These final accents make the foliage appear vibrant and full of depth. The rocks beneath the bushes also need a little more definition. I lighten my brown mixture by adding a touch of white and a hint of yellow, then carefully place highlights across the rocky surfaces. By emphasizing the raised areas and leaving the deeper crevices darker, the rocks begin to feel more solid and three-dimensional. At this point, I decide to transform the clear sky into a more dramatic and atmospheric one. Using white paint and a suitable acrylic brush, I start from the outer edges of each cloud and gently blend the color inward. This technique keeps the cloud edges bright and illuminated while allowing the centers to remain slightly darker and softer. I repeat this process several times, creating multiple cloud formations drifting across the sky. To enhance the mood even further, I add subtle rays of sunlight emerging from behind the clouds, guiding the viewer's eye through the landscape and bringing a beautiful sense of light to the entire scene. With those final touches in place, today's painting is complete. I hope you enjoyed painting this peaceful mountain valley and waterfall with me. Thank you so much for watching and for spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until our next painting adventure, take care, stay creative, and happy painting.